it's the same bitch.
Oh
my goodness.
Oh.
The dynamics, bro. We suck. You little turn.
Ooh, Ryan. Okay. These guys are sturdy.
We're repping the damn B. What a fucking legend.
10 seconds remaining. They planted at Bravo. UAV standing by. All up. Bomb defused. Round secure.
That's embarrassing.
You clutch this.
Those in the circle. Wow. Okay. Grass slick.
Final minute. You won that round. Get ready.
Oh, that was dirty.
Oh, that's why I doesn't shoot.
Ooh, kill trade. Nice.
That. That was a trade.
10 seconds remaining.
I'm on B, don't worry about B.
Enemy bomb at Alpha.
Then Jed. Let's go.
All operatives, bomb defused. You've won that round.
Only one. Nice
Won that
shot.
round. Get ready for the next one.
That's Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Let's go, Spider-Man.
It's your favorite neighborhood. There he is. Now we
Nobody's left. Good shit, Spider-Man. Whip them up with your cum.
10 seconds remaining. Enemy planted at Alpha. UAV standing by. All operatives, bomb defused. Won that round.
Alright, you're a major cocksucker for that. I saw that shit the whole time.
Thank you.
Enemy bomb at Alpha.
Oh, wow.
Good boss. Be advised, enemy bomb is still active. All operatives, bomb defused. You've won that round. Get ready for the next one.
It hurt so bad.
Oh, wow. He's saying like that.
Mastermind ready.
Oh, he's out.
Three?
Alpine.
Two? Damn.
Final minute.
Code. Dirty bitch.
You dirty fucking Roddy is.
Oh, you fucking hiding behind the couch in yellow. To your left, to your left.
Right
Look
across
left.
from me, Code. Careful.
Oh, you dirty bitch!
What
You
was
got him with the
that?
fucking ripper.
It's like the purifier. It's an underbarrel chainsaw.
Oh,
was
that's
fucking
sick.
awesome.
I've never seen anybody fucking use it. That's from week 1.
That's what I'm working on unlocking right now.
Bro.
That's what the challenge I just got done with was for. That's so BM, dude. I hate that. It's beautiful, but I hate it.
Target and destroy it.
To your right, Code. To
Okay,
your right,
I don't know
Code.
where I just got shot from. There's one on racetrack somewhere.
Emergency airdrop standing by.
Dude, where's this guy?
1v2.
Oh my god, Code's gonna
One left.
clutch this.
Enemy planted at Bravo.
You got the dubstep pistol. You're right on the park. Yep, good shit,
Move
diffuse.
fast.
There.
GG's, guys.
Done.
Back to spawn center.
Hostiles deployed a remote turret.
Oh, how'd he not get hit by it?
We're planting at Alpha. Device in place. Countdown started. You've won that round.